Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in daily weather briefing. So, as India Meteorological Department has been predicting since last 6 to 7 days that there would be a wet spell, intense rainfall spell over northwest India from 12th night, and it will have its maximum intensity on 13th and 14th of April. So, we can see that yesterday fairly widespread to widespread light moderate rainfall has occurred over western Himalayan region as well as Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi and West UP as well as over Rajasthan. And this rainfall spell is likely to continue during next 24 hours and would decrease from tomorrow onwards, but it will still have its impact tomorrow as well over the western Himalayan region, and from 16th of April it will abate from the northwest India. As far as observation is concerned, so fairly widespread light moderate rainfall has occurred as well as snowfall has occurred over the western Himalayan region, and there is also reports of hailstorm activity over Bundelkhand region of UP as well as over Madhya Pradesh, and there has been reports of isolated heavy rainfall over Lalitpur of western Uttar Pradesh as well as over West MP, and also Lalitpur and Jhansi have reported hailstorm activity, and thunderstorm activity with the lightning has occurred over this entire region. As we can see here that due to the lightning strike over Rajasthan, many trees were burnt. So this one is a picture from Ganganagar in which we can see that a tree has burnt due to the lightning strike, and also there are some other one or two reports of tea burning and over Rajasthan due to the lightning strike. So this one is the tea which has fallen off due to the which has been ripped apart by the lightning strike over Rajasthan. So now we come over to the forecast part. So for the forecast activity, as today the western disturbance is roughly along 55 degree of longitude with the embedded Sicer over northeast Iran and neighborhood, and this western disturbance, as we can see in the winds from the INSAT 3D satellite, that the western disturbance is as a trough like this coming up to 25 degree of latitude, and there is also this cyclonic circulation, and we can see that over entire region of Pakistan and Afghanistan the winds are almost southerly, which are bringing moisture feed from Arabian Sea, and due to this rainfall activity, widespread rainfall activity is likely over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand during next 24 to 48 hours, as well as fairly widespread light moderate rainfall is likely over the Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi and West Uttar Pradesh and also over North Rajasthan during next 24 hours. And this WD is so intense that it has also induced a low pressure area over southwest Rajasthan and neighborhood, and this low pressure area is also having an associated cyclonic circulation extending in the lower tropospheric levels. So tomorrow, as we have seen that tomorrow this activity would decrease and only isolated to scattered rainfall activity is likely over the plains of northwest India, but the Himalayan region would continue to receive fairly widespread to widespread light moderate rainfall. And during this period, today we are expecting hailstorm activity, isolated hailstorm activity over this entire region of Jammu division, Himachal, foothills of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, West UP and Rajasthan, and as well as northern parts of MP, including the Bundelkhand region of Uttar Pradesh. And tomorrow this would be confined to only western Himalayan region. So this activity is likely to continue during next 24 to 48 hours, and from 16th of April there would be dry weather over the region. And also isolated heavy rainfall and snowfall is likely over Jammu and Kashmir, Gilgit Baltistan, Muzaffarabad and Himachal Pradesh today as well as tomorrow. So that was all about the northwest India. Now as this western disturbance moves eastwards away from northwest India, it is likely to impact northeast India as well, and then arriving over northeast India, and with fresh moisture feed from the Bay of Bengal, it is likely to cause widespread light to moderate rainfall over Arunachal Pradesh and Assam and Meghalaya during 16th April to 20th of April, with isolated heavy rainfall snowfall probability on 16th and 17th over Arunachal Pradesh, and isolated heavy rainfall probability over Assam and Meghalaya, and thereafter we come over to the maximum temperature scenario. So currently, as we can see, that the maximum temperatures have their departure very low over the central parts of the country, over Madhya Pradesh and over adjoining parts of Vidarbha and Telangana. By the temperatures are below normal by 5 to 8 degree of centigrade, and these temperatures are likely to increase during next 3 to 4 days, and they will come first they will come closer to the normal, and then they will further rise. But again, we are since the intense western disturbance activity is going on northwest India, so this rise is currently not going to result into heat wave conditions over north peninsular India for now. But as far as coastal India is concerned, so for next 5 days, hot and humid weather conditions are likely over Gangetic West Bengal, over Odisha and coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, Tamil Nadu and Kerala during next 5 days, with this intensifying, with the probability of intensification of this hot and humid weather into heat wave conditions from tomorrow itself. So heat wave conditions are likely over Gangetic West Bengal, over coastal Odisha, over coastal Andhra Pradesh from tomorrow, that is 16th of April, and this is likely to continue till 18th of April over these areas. And except this, over Kerala and Tamil Nadu, hot and humid weather is likely to continue during next 4-5 days. So in summary, if we look the summary of the weather for next 5 days, so we can say that the northwest India weather is likely to continue during next 24 hours over Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, West UP and Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand during next 24 hours, and it will start decreasing from tomorrow. But over Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, it will continue tomorrow as well, and from 16th of February from 16th of April, this entire region is going to have dry weather. But again, then a fresh western disturbance is likely to affect northwest India from 18th of April, and then again we are expecting a rainfall spell over northwest India. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will again meet with Delhi weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.